Hello everyone, this is question number 12 and these questions belong to web applications. Which of the following allows the session to continue? They are talking about the browser. When we are browse something on a browser, then that session will be continue in which condition? First, when a user quits a browser. When you close a browser or when you quit a browser, how long you may get the same page when you reopen the browser? It depends on various factors. It is one of the condition, but it is not accurate answer for this question. Anyhow, when due to technical error, will you observe that if your browser window is closed due to some technical error, then you can still get the web page, exact web page in which you have left. So although in some cases it works, when we quit a browser we again get the same web page, but it is not the accurate answer. Let's read the second statement. When the user logs out and it's invalidated by the servlet. It's although they are talking about the invalidation of the user or its request, and when a user already intentionally logs out from the session, then you cannot get back to the same session. So that means you can eliminate the second statement. Third says when the session is timed out due to inactivity. Whenever you do any online transaction or whenever you are paying your bills online, there is always be a time out credential. There always a constraint that you have to complete your activity within the time. When you take too much time to do that transaction, it will automatically close that session, so you cannot get back that session once your time's out. So statement 3 will be incorrect. When the user refreshes the browser and there is a persistent cookie, here you can see a term has been used which is persistent cookie. What exactly cookie is? Cookies are some small piece of information website stored on your computer. Here we can say that cookies are the small piece of information websites store on your computer. Whatever you are looking on websites, whatever web pages you have scroll on the browser, information about that websites or information about the searches, that has been stored in the cookies. And what exactly cookies are? Cookies only contain the bits of text, not anything else. They have some basic information about the searches. There are various types of cookies that exist. Some of the cookies are, there are non-persistent cookies and some of the persistent cookie. Here they are talking about the persistent cookie. Persistent cookies are the permanent cookies and which remains on the client computer even after the browser is closed. Here you can observe that even if the browser is closed, you can again get your session back because the information related to that session is already stored in the persistent cookie. So here you can say the correct answer for this question will be option number 4. When a user refresh the browser and there is a persistent cookie, yes, the information related to that session is going to be stored in the persistent cookie. There is still some values which is stored in the persistent cookie, like persistent name, what type of cookie is it. So there are 4 parameters related to cookie. One is the what is the cookie name, second what is the type of cookie, third is the what will be the value of cookie, and fourth will be the timeout. Yes, time constraint is always follow up with the cookie, that it a maximum time of a information stored on a cookie that's pre-decided. So in order to solve this question, option number 4 will be the correct option.